Every Broil King gas grill is built to provide unparalleled cooking versatility. Broil King's performance grilling technology gives you the ability to cook almost anything on your grill and in any style you desire. You can sear steaks to perfection, rotisserie cook poultry or roasts, and even bake elaborate desserts. Every part of the cooking system is designed and engineered for one specific purpose: great barbecue flavor. Here are 5 key performance features that make Broil King stand out from the rest. Patented stainless steel dual-tube burners are side-ported with 2 rows of flame per burner. Each powerful tube-and-tube burner plays a key role in providing efficient heat through more than 120 ports. This means you get more flame and more heat per square inch, and the ultimate in even heat distribution. The stainless steel Flavor Wave cooking system provides superior heat distribution across the entire surface of the grill and protects the burners. Drippings that fall onto the Flavor Wave are instantly vaporized. The vapor created through this process infuses back into the food for that unmistakable barbecue flavor. All Broil King professional-grade cooking grids deliver excellent heat retention and exceptional searing power to lock in juices and flavor. The heavy cast grids have 2 sides. One side is pointed for those perfect steakhouse sear marks, while the other side has grooves for continuous basting. Thick stainless steel rods are very easy to clean and provide long-lasting durability. Made from high-grade stainless steel and cast aluminum, the cookbox provides excellent heat retention and long-lasting durability. It's designed to allow even heat and precise control. Linear flow valves with 180-degree SensiTouch control knobs give you infinite heat control, allowing you to set your grill to the perfect temperature for searing, roasting, or slow cooking. When you combine these features, you have the luxury of utilizing the entire cooking surface for high heat searing, or you have the ability to use a section of the grill as a sear zone. With Broil King's renowned performance grilling technology, you get the very best in performance, versatility, and unmistakable barbecue flavor. Broil King, great barbecues every time.